Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pool thermometer, and I'll show you guys what this one is here and how it works. It says pool thermometer, floating, easy, whatever. And I'll just basically show it to you. It's going to be rechargeable, so it's kind of nice, and it's electronic. But here we go. So, oops. So this is what it looks like here, and it's good. It comes with a string, so I don't know if you have a pool like mine, but on my pool, everything gets sucked into the drain. And so if you want to avoid everything getting sucked into the drain, you tie the little string onto it here, and you tie it onto somewhere like onto the, oh, what's that called? The ladder. And then it won't float away from you. And then here we go. We have a charging port up top right there, and it's going to charge USB-C. It came with its own little wire to charge from USB to USB-C, which is nice. And then we have a C and F buttons on there, and we can see right now we are at 72.1 degrees in Fahrenheit, and we are fully charged on the battery. I just turned it on, so that's probably why. And so I'm just going to go stick this in the pool, and it'll float around right here. That's the temperature in my apartment. I actually have it set for 72, so I guess it's 72.3. So once it gets a little warmer, it'll turn on the air conditioning. But how cool is that? So it's a nice little thermometer. It's going to float there and look beautiful in the pool. So totally cool. I like this one, and thumbs up for sure. Very nice.